Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiana. Today I am finally trying the new Kosas Revealer Skin-Improving Foundation. I actually have a couple more base products in here that I've never tried before either, so it's gonna be a first impressions for a lot of things. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I just did my brows and I put a little color on my lid. I haven't done that since 2019 Miami Carnival, but that's besides the point. Let's get into the Kosa products. First, we have the star of the show, the Revealer Skin-Improving Foundation with SPF 25. Love the bottle, it's frosted, and this really bright and fresh yellow top is so cute. I also bought the Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. Next, we have the Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. And last, we have the Wet Plumping Treatment Gloss. Girl, when I tell you I am nervous for these shades, I picked all of them online. I tried my best. If they're the wrong shades, it's not Kosa's fault, it's mine. Starting with the foundation, I picked the Deep Neutral Warm 390. I would say my skin is like everything except for olive, so this should be the perfect shade for me. Why am I so nervous? I shouldn't be this nervous. Okay, can you guys see that? That looks like a good match so far. So I've been seeing it says to apply with your finger. Oh my gosh, that's such a good shade. Okay, can you even see it? That's such a good match. Okay, so I'm just blending with my fingers and then I'm gonna go in with a sponge and it feels like nothing. Like, it's so crazy. It doesn't feel like I just put on a whole face of foundation. I don't even feel it. It feels lighter than most skin tints. Very smooth, I noticed that right away. It has medium coverage. If you look really hard, you could see some of my dark spots, but that's fine. And it's just very skin-like and light. It's a clean, silicone-free foundation with SPF 25. An extra layer of SPF is always welcome. It has hyaluronic acid, which is great for keeping your skin hydrated. Niacinamide, which is great for controlling oil and also brightening your actual skin. Peptides, great for plumping, giving it that beautiful glassy finish. It's a little bit darker, but with concealer and everything, we should be fine. Let's get into this concealer. I got the shade 8.1, which is described as a tan with olive cool tones. I know I said that I'm not olive, but I find that some golden concealers look really orange on me, so I'm trying a cooler one. And then I'm just gonna conceal where I normally would. And then my nose. Letting this dry down as I normally would with any concealer. So the concealer has a whole bunch of great benefits as well. It has caffeine, which is great for under eye, especially if you're looking a little tired, a little saggy, a little baggy under there. With a beauty blender, I'm just gonna start blending. I'm gonna have to get some in-between shades because this is great for under eye, but I usually don't go this bright for the rest of my face. I absolutely love the finish. I have some more thoughts about it, but we're gonna do a recap at the end. Next, I'm using the Cloud Set to set my entire face. This either is my exact match or there's no pigment because am I crazy? I'm trying with a less damp sponge and I'm gonna try to see if that does something. Okay, now I'm starting to see it actually set my face. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back to try the gloss and also do a total recap. Okay, I'm back. Let's get into this gloss. It's actually a lip oil and I got the shade Unhooked. I love the packaging. I've never seen a bottle like this before. I wanna know who picked this shade as the free gift. Oh my gosh. All right, that's not a shade that I would normally gravitate towards. Okay, this shade semi works for me if I line my lips with something really dark and then only put on the center of my lips. It's not really the look I'm going for today, so I'm just gonna throw on another gloss. Ignore the outside noises and construction, but the most important, what does the makeup look like in real life, in natural lighting and not under studio light? I want you guys to leave your honest opinion in the comments. I'm gonna go back inside and give you my final thoughts. the foundation. I love that it's lightweight while still giving medium coverage. I love that the ingredients are actually good for my skin. I do wish that I got maybe like 1 or 2 shades lighter, but it's actually kind of confusing because the model on the website that wears $390, I would say looks a little bit lighter than me. So I would love to try maybe $370 or $380. Despite it being a little bit darker, with everything else and it being blended out, it's absolutely wearable. For the Reveal Super Creamy Brightening Concealer, again, love the formula. This is the 8.1. Perfect shade for under my eye. I would like a little bit darker shade for everywhere else, but definitely keeping, as well as the foundation. The Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. It was okay. Like, I don't have anything bad to say. It was good. I'm waiting for it to be great, but it gives a great natural finish. I'll keep it. It's probably not going to be in rotation, but maybe in the winter, we'll see. The Wet Plumping Treatment Gloss. I really did like the formula. It had high shine. It was very smooth. I don't think Unhooked is a good shade for me. I would have picked Splashy Magenta, but it may look good on someone else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to keep up with me on the regular. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at I'm Kiana Jordan, and I'll see you guys in the next video.